Okay, the tornado siren just started, and I'm freaking out.
We could die. Right now, we could.
No,
it could happen.
It usually stays out closer to everything.
This is really raining hard. Really, like over here, like
That's really wet. That's some rain.
that is some rain right there.
Let's dance in it. Might as well.
Oh yeah, the awning broke, busted by the way. Over that car, that red car. It's been raining the past couple days. Where we featured the dually, where we shot the dually real quick over at the bridge, we got word that it's flooded over there, and it's reached what? Over the bridge?
Deep.
It's freaking deep. All right, so we're here. Well, kind of. The bridge that we went to is on the other side of the road, but this is.
Hey, you know that's 15 feet deep. Look at those trees.
Yeah, those trees. 10, 15.
Holy shit. Do you see that, dude? That is nuts. That is whitewater to the max, man.
Holy
I kind of
cow.
want to go over there. I think there's like a dam right there, like a barrier or something. Freaking awesome, man. We gotta go check.
Let's go over. That warning sign is about 7 feet tall. So that just goes to show you. This is literally 5 minutes after I did that last shot. Now look at that sign. Just about gone. That was the warning sign. Now it's pretty much just a
Warning bump.
yeah. I got it. I'm good.
Here comes somebody else about to drive across.
These guys are busted. Flash the lights! Bust them up! Yeah, let's get rolling, dude.
Yeah. I'll tell you again, you're gonna get a citation.
Yeah, that's fine.
No, that's not funny.
Carnage! Carnage, carnage, carnage.